All right, baby. Wow, I have my baby here. I feel so happy. Before the other one come, I'm not happy, but this one, now, oh my God. You are our mother. Get out. Baby, show them what you have. Come, let me introduce you to my girlfriend. How can I do it? Hello, baby. Our nanny. Yes. Will you take a little height? Mammy, look for height. Oh, Master. Come go down. On your breathing hand, that this woman. On a rock. That's the money. Look at the money. So that is it. Now welcome home. So this is my babe. Oh, when I use it, I'm not UK all through. Useless. I'm not going to meet my mom, my grandmom.
grand.
Yeah, mine on Allah.
My
grandmother. Then this is these are my grandchildren.
I trust my mother.
They pay my yeah, well, I resign it and I welcome. Thank you. Nice to have you here. I'm so happy now.
And what is in time?
My script, Abby.
I'm not here. What's your problem? I don't understand.
I'm going to talk with you. Hey.
I'm gonna do.
We talk less. I got you can't get right. Our mommy G.O.
That's a long one.
Yeah, one. Kele. Ono wakele onye ke obu ego onye abo onye ona kwose onu kubenem kele aba gile eze agwala ha niile no check esi anya ayi ka ejiri nya ya na dollar nya chere mse ndega account na time account onye bla one on change kai ga machi ani ne ke to kutu na asa ko tulu ku microwave ke magebe ha ga ata and the woman on the kitchen. Yaga and Oku Gardner and Motor. A day when he keep Tali woman as I was I should Ababa Natural to Elijah. Okromi. Hot minute. The neighbor house of Garusha. At a minute. Oh, mommy. Leave me down. That's not go play for you. What cannot play? Make it if you may door break. More for the park. When we see I love a name water. Name water, Gomenaga. All right, people, we are here again. You can see how happy we are because it's a full house. Whenever we are full like this, always experience different thing altogether. There's no room for sadness. There's no room for we don't have a room for you know, biased minds or biasness or abada. We always positive people, positive vibe, oneness, free-minded people, loving people. You know, we set examples and people follow. You can see everybody here is happy working with us. This time we'll come to a production like this. We don't entertain assassinity. Hey, English, we only give a room for a positive impact for people that come to work with us to learn. Some people will join us differently, but they will go home differently. By the time we must have finished inducting and then English inducting and then bringing them or soaking them into what we have. Everybody have you got a good English, but then this very movie we are cooking is going to make you laugh like you've never done before. So if you're not following my page like I told us before,
go and follow the page.
Is, go to YouTube now and subscribe to Chief Imo's TV on YouTube. Chief Imo's Chief Imo's Movie TV. Chief Imo Movie TV on YouTube. Go there now. We have beautiful movies already showing. We have our Clash of In-Law, wonderful movie. This movie will crack you from the beginning to the end. You see a different Chief Imo again. It's not just giving you, you know. So I'm trying to versatilize my versatility. Oh yeah, that's English for you. Versasas. So please help me subscribe, then follow my Facebook page. Anokute Longinus and fans. Yes. Then my Instagram is Chief Imo. Then my other YouTube, you know that one, Chief Imo Comedy, where we upload all our Igbo content. Exactly. Then this new one now is all our English content for those of you who don't speak our language. You guys like it. Yes, I'm done here. We are here to make you happy. There's nothing again God created us for. We are here to cure BP, to bring happiness, to brighten your day. Those days that you enter my page that you will not laugh, you will not be happy. You go in there sad, you come out smiling. I think we have all it takes. This is my boy Olua Boy. Then follow his page too. Thank you. At Olua Boy Comedy Fans. Olua Boy Comedy Fans. Please give him a follow so that we'll grow together. Yes, sir. We love you all.